The GST Council has notified major changes for the footwear industry, bringing down the GST to make sure that there is no slowdown in consumption. Till then, brands have started offering the benefits of the lower GST right now. I am currently in a Bata showroom in Parel, where as you can see, there is a promotional offer being run which says we pay the GST, you save the money, wherein Bata is offering customers a discount of 7%, which is the differential between the current rate of 12% and the expected GST of 5% that is going to come into effect on 22nd of September. So the brand is offering to absorb the additional GST of 7% that is being charged right now. However, important to note here is that this offer is only for footwear up to 1,000 rupees, and anything above that is going to be charged at the existing rates. Now, in its recommendations or in its notification, the GST Council has made two slabs within the footwear industry. So any footwear up to 2,500 is going to be charged at 5%, and above that is going to be at 18% versus 12% earlier. So there are some categories that are going to be benefited and some which will have to pay a higher GST. But to ensure that in this transition period there is no slowdown in the buying patterns, because this is also a key festive period, brands are offering the benefits of this GST reduction much ahead. In fact, the terms and conditions of this offer earlier mentioned 25th September as the date of the validity of this offer, but now with the date for the new GST rates to come into effect is 22nd September, they are going to be running this offer till that date.